Can an oil capsule of pumpkin seed really regrow hair? New study says it's encouraging, but only for certain types of baldness. Let's drill down to see if it is for you, or not. A 2014 double-blind trial treated 76 men with mild to moderate crown balding with either 400 mg PSO once a day or a placebo. After 24 weeks, scientists counted hairs in a 1 square centimeter area using a phototrichography. PSO contains phytosterols that block 5-alpha reductase, the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone into shrinking hair hormone DHT. It's like a traffic cop stopping follicle-damaging hormones. The PSO group acquired 40% more hairs. Sounds humongous. But in real figures, placebo users accrued approximately 12 hairs, while PSO users accrued approximately 42 hairs from the same scalp area. Key point: this only worked for crown balding, vertex, not frontal hairlines. No serious side effects were noted. Liver kidney markers normal, sexual health scores were indistinguishable from placebo. But what if you hate taking pills? Step in Topical Solutions. A 2022 study crafted PSO into Niosomes, microscopic bubbles that penetrate 2x deeper into follicles than plain oil. 42 volunteers used a serum twice a day for 8 weeks. These Niosomes are delivery vans, delivering PSO's DHT blockers directly to where they're needed, at the hair root. And they have scalp inflammation, IL-6 cytokines, a sneaky cause of balding. The users had 44% less hair loss in 60-second comb tests. But here's reality. If you used to lose 100 hairs per week, you'd lose 56 after treatment. Better, not magic. This used lab-made Niosomes. Off-the-shelf PSO oils likely sit on the surface of the scalp and don't penetrate. So why is this not a magic bullet? Let's discuss the elephant in the room. Is this effective on frontal hairlines? Unknown. The 2014 trial did not include extreme cases, and a 2015 critique noted PSO's effect on frontal zones was studied but never published. Hair growth cycles peak in summer. Trials under 12 months, for example the 24-week oral trial, may lack seasonal effects. Genetics are also at work. PSO won't get around bulletproof baldness genes either. Reassurance. For early-stage crown thinning, both procedures are low risk. Topical serums caused zero irritation in lab-grown skin tests. Actionable takeaways. 1. Try 400 mg capsules daily, but don't have expectations for crown areas until 6+ months. 2. Topical. Try Niosome encapsulated PSO serums, normal oils won't penetrate. 3. Manage expectations. PSO won't probably regrow hairlines. Go see a dermatologist and get thyroid issues or insufficiency of necessary nutrients excluded first. This is peer-reviewed research, not medical advice. There are many possible causes of hair loss. Consult your doctor before trying new treatments. Stay inquisitive, stay empathetic, and don't forget to like and subscribe.